Lumberjack is a low-torque, high-speed cutter with rotation speed from 10,000 up to 50,000 RPM. It comes in 7 different versions, covering 75 to 1200 mm pipes. Each cutter handles minimum 4 up to 11 different pipe sizes. Lumberjack cuts roots, concrete, grease, mineral deposits, protruding laterals and more. Require no daily maintenance due to sealed, grease-lubricated and water-cooled bearings. Lumberjack cutters provide service for many years.